Hi students, how are you all? Hope you are safe and healthy. Welcome back students to your English grammar class. In this video today, we are going to start a new chapter of your English grammar, that is adjective. Let's learn the definition of adjective and let's learn a few kinds and examples of adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So students, I personally believe you don't have any doubt regarding nouns because you have already learned the nouns and its kinds. Now, through a few examples, let's have a look at a few words which describes the noun. Say for example, rainbow is a noun. Now if I say beautiful rainbow, then beautiful is describing the word noun, hence becomes an adjective. If I say baby, then baby is a noun, but if I say happy baby, then happy describes the noun baby. How is the baby? The baby is happy. Happy becomes an adjective. If I say firefighter, firefighter is a noun, but if I describe the firefighter like brave firefighter, then brave becomes the adjective. If I say dragon, dragon is a noun, but if I say silly dragon, large dragon, small dragon, then definitely large, small, silly becomes an adjective because these are the describing words which are describing the noun dragon. Am I clear, student? Now let's have a look at the types of adjectives. There are demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, indefinite adjectives, interrogative adjectives, cardinal adjectives, ordinal adjectives, proper adjectives, and so on. Students, there are many kinds of adjectives, but we will focus on a few adjectives like demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and the interrogative adjectives. Now students, already while learning the chapter pronouns, we have got a basic idea about the adjectives, the interrogative, demonstrative, and possessive adjectives. So students, let's just have a look at the demonstrative adjectives through this video. Students, while learning demonstrative pronoun, we have seen that demonstrative means to point out something, to show something, right? So with this example, this is a red pen. I am showing the pen. But in this sentence, this is a red pen. This is not a demonstrative adjective, rather a demonstrative pronoun. Why? Because this is the subject of the sentence, and hence a subject always becomes either a noun or a pronoun. But if I say, this pen is red, in this sentence, the subject is pen, pen. And pen is described by the word this. I'm pointing out the pen and this qualifies the noun pen, pen. So this becomes the demonstrative adjectives. The way we have learned that there are two forms, singular and plural. In case of singular nouns, we use this this and that that. In case of plural, we use these and those. Let's have a look at a few more examples. This is the best friend of mine. So in this sentence, this is not the adjective. This becomes a pronoun. But if I say that dog is really sick and need care, I am pointing out that dog. So the dog is a noun and that describes the dog. Hence that becomes an adjective. So except the first sentence, the rest of the sentence is these, that, these clothes, this bag, those shoes, those books, all these are demonstrative adjectives. Am I clear, students? Is the concept of demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective is clear to you? Please just let me know. So to check whether you have understood the topic or not, this is an exercise. Here are 10 questions and you need to point out the demonstrative adjectives from here. Do it in your English language homework copy and send me as a PDF file. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.